Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of buzz around Disney Solitaire. People saying there's a way to rack up stars and coins using just your phone. No desktop tricks, no complicated setup, just something quick and mobile. I'll admit, I was pretty doubtful at first. Disney Solitaire is usually all about relaxing gameplay and earning rewards the slow, steady way, so this sounded a little too magical to be true. But curiosity got the best of me, so I decided to give it a try and see what actually happens. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what I tested from start to finish, and then we'll jump back into Disney Solitaire together to see how it all turned out. The first thing you need is your user ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a minute to find mine. I copied it and kept it saved for later. This step is simple and doesn't take much time. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will work. Then, I searched for the website people were mentioning. When the page loaded, there were no pop-ups or strange redirects. The site looked clean and normal, which I honestly didn't expect. Once I landed on the site, I used the search bar to look up the Disney Solitaire option. The page was bright and easy to follow, which already felt on theme. I chose my device, Android for me, though iOS was there too, then entered my player ID and took a quick moment to make sure everything looked right. After tapping continue, I was ready to move on to the next step. Then, it asked how many resources I wanted. Just to test it properly, I selected the highest amount. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared showing different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to understand. Before it finished, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were clear so it wasn't confusing. I already completed that earlier, so let's skip straight to the results. After that, I jumped back into Disney Solitaire and took a look at my stars and coins, and they were already there waiting for me. I didn't have to close the app or do anything extra. The balance refreshed right away, almost like a little Disney-style bonus popping up out of nowhere. Honestly, how fast it showed up is what surprised me the most. Based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were easy, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you follow everything carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, leave a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.